Let's just breathe. I invite you now to find a comfortable position in your seats. Wiggle around, shake your arms, release the tension, move your neck, bring up a big smile, exercise your face. Find a comfortable place for your hands in your lap. Remove anything that might be a distraction. Tune out any outer noises or inner noises. And commit to be in this place right here, right now. Relax. Let go. Taking a deep breath. And hold it for just a brief second. And then release that energy, that spirit of love out and through this sanctuary. And now taking another deep, relaxing breath. And release that energy of love. And one more time, a deep, relaxing breath. And release it. The Father and I are one. I am in the Father, and the Father is in me. As you bring to mind the father figure in your life, no matter what that father figure looked like or seemed like, I want you to bring a big smile to your face and see the God in the person who represented father to you. It could be a teacher, a minister, your natural-born father, an adopted parent. It could be a neighbor, the father of friends. It could be your mother. It could be your sister or your brother. And just allow your mind to thank them for whatever gifts they brought to you, that have brought you to this place. As you go deeper into the silence, I invite you to take these words from Rumi, which I find to be the greatest sense of silence, getting into that state of pure being, out beyond ideas of wrongdoing and right doing. There is a field. I will meet you there. When the soul lies down in that grass, the world is too full to talk about. Ideas, language, even the words each other have no meaning. It's all about consciousness. The Father and I are one in the silence. I invite you now to ever so gently return your attention to this time and this place, remembering the Father Spirit in you. Remind yourself throughout the day, throughout the week, you have a choice every single day. You can choose to look at the past, the father you wish you'd had, or maybe your father has crossed over and you would love to have an opportunity to be with him again. You can choose to feel blessed. You can choose to feel grateful, not for what you don't have or didn't have, for what you do have. You can choose to be excited. You can choose to be thankful. You can choose to be happy. This is your life. Choose wisely how you live it.
I invite you to take out your offering, lovingly hold it in your hands, and say aloud with me the affirmation which can be found on the inside of your bulletin. Divine love, through me, blesses and multiplies all that I give and all that I receive. Thank you, Father, Mother, God.
Good morning, all you fathers and father figures. Being a father myself, I think about the words that I will say to my son and have said to my son as he goes through his journeys and travels and triumphs of becoming a man and a father as well. I thought about the song this morning and what would best fit what I have said to him, and I'm sure what I will say to him as he gets older and becomes a better father. I think this will do it. Listen as your day unfolds, challenge what the future holds, try to keep your head up to the sky. Lovers, they may cause you tears, go ahead, release your fears, stand up and be counted, don't be ashamed to cry. You gotta be bad, you gotta be bold, you gotta be wiser. You gotta be hard, you gotta be tough, you gotta be stronger. You gotta be cool, you gotta be calm, you gotta stay together. All I know, love will save the day. Herald what your mother read, read the books your father read, trying to solve those puzzles in your own sweet time. Others have more cash than you, others take a different view. My, oh my, hey, hey. You gotta be bad, you gotta be bold, you gotta be wiser. You gotta be hard, you gotta be tough, you gotta be stronger. You gotta stay cool, you got to stay calm, you got to stay together. All I know, love will save the day. Love has no questions, it goes on without you, leaving you behind if you can't stand the pain. The world keeps on spinning, can't stop it if you try to. The best part of danger staring in your face. Woo! Listen as this day unfolds, challenge what the future holds. Stand up and be counted, don't be ashamed to cry. Others have more cash than you, and others take a different view. My, oh my, hey, hey. You gotta be bad, you gotta be bold, you gotta be wiser. You gotta be hard, you gotta be tough, you gotta be stronger. Son, you gotta stay cool, you got to stay calm, you gotta stay together. All I know, love will save the day. All I know, love will save the day. All I know, love will save the day. Happy Father's Day.